following message is transmitted at the request of the Green Bay Police Department. The Green Bay Police Department is looking for a green older model Ford truck with dents and rust on both sides and Green Bay Packer bumper magnets with a Wisconsin license plate AEL 1219. The vehicle was last seen in Green Bay. The truck is being occupied by two males throwing footballs at civilians and causing injury. Many injuries have been reported as well as hospitalizations. The truck was last seen in the downtown Green Bay area traveling eastbound on 3rd Street. If seen, call 911 or the Green Bay Police Department at 920-448-3200.